Oh, rest stop, Waterfall Canyon. How you liking it so far, guys? Good PT? Good deal. The dogs are loving it. So this is the Waterfall Canyon. It's natural, not a lot coming down it. It's beautiful though. Hey Chester, what's up, dog? Got Minnie, Toby, fighting their way. I'm not going down that. I just had surgery. I'm not going to fall. So, okay, turn around and get a picture of you both. Shaylee's, yeah, turn around. All right. Okay, good arguing. Just okay. You guys want to go up by there, or no? Yeah. Well, I don't know. Okay, you're safe. Where are you, Toby?
Toby. Oh,
there he is. Hey, buddy. Here comes a little rat. What's up, Toby? There he goes. He's nimble. He's the oldest dog we have, but he's nimble. Just be careful.
Toby, move.
Toby's a little mountain goat.
Toby, move.
Oh, she's making it. Come on, Minnie. There you go, Minnie Mo. Good job. Thanks for your help. Thanks for the assist. You having fun, Chester? Yeah. It's beautiful. We do live in pretty country. It's bringing out all the congestion and phlegm in me, of course. They do have a rope here for people to get back out of there. She scared?
Yeah, she is. Yeah, Shaylee, be gentle with her.
Hey, buddy. You want to go hang out with them? You just want to stay by me. Dogs are having fun. She was thinking about going back down that thing. Chester's like, yeah, that ain't nothing. Come on, Toby. He wants to stay by Shay Shay.
You know what? I definitely will.
Good job, boys. Girls. Give your old man a chance to rest here.
No. Oh, you can get going up till we get. Yeah, thanks, Shaylee. Okay, let me. That. I don't need the stupid rope.
Follow my dad.
And I was faster than you too, idiot.
All right, let's go, guys. What is it?
Wow, Shaylee, so smart.
No, they can carry it on the way down. Hey,
I'm
careful.
not pushing you.
Hey, look it.
You just in the way.
Okay, go, 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 go.
Don't push me out of the way. And push you out of the way.
Be nice, be nice.
I'm elbowing you because I was unraveling you. Go. Go. And he's out of breath.
Back up out of here.
Look, Chester.
It's definitely a decent climb. And then take it right. We're going to keep going uphill.